just rug pulls everyone, right? That link was cut. So from the world's perspective, that was kind of like the ultimate rule change, right? That was the promise of redemption and then just kidding. So a trust us token isn't really going to cut it. There's nothing technical that stops the US from doing the exact same thing, but this time with stablecoins. And that's why there's so much distrust in the world about moving to this new digital system. So then the next question is, will the US actually do this then? And I actually think it's more possible, maybe even inevitable, that the US is already experimenting with this idea, just not in the way that we hear about it. For example, Michael Saylor, he was very public, right? He's advised Donald Trump and his family that America should have a Bitcoin strategic reserve. His plan was if the US sold off all its gold and bought Bitcoin, it would crush gold prices, it would hurt competing countries like China and Russia, and at the same time, it would send Bitcoin's price way up and recapitalize America's balance sheet. But in the end, that's not what ended up happening. Instead, during Trump's presidency, the idea of this US Bitcoin reserve, it ended up being just an idea that was teased, but it was never fully something that became real. The US said it would never use taxpayer dollars to buy any Bitcoin, and it really hasn't been buying any, at least not that we know of publicly. So I don't think it's going to happen the way Michael Saylor was advising